I'm so excited to share in this video a big announcement. And this is going to help you choose the best city in Dallas-Fort Worth that's right for your family. So what most people do when they are thinking about moving to Texas, or they know they're going to move here, is they book what we call a discovery trip. On this discovery trip, you're trying to learn the different areas and cities to help figure out where is best for your family. So for the Collin County and Fort Worth bus tours, you get to hang out with the best city experts on a guided bus tour. This is going to help you discover the best cities, the lifestyle, the best neighborhoods. It's a wealth of information. And listen, if you don't have an expert guide you, I want you to realize there really is a cost of not having an expert guide you. Because when your plane lands in Dallas, that overwhelming feeling, it just gets worse. What most people do when visiting Texas to discover the cities is they rent a car, and many times they drive around aimlessly, or according to niche.com or reviews online about cities, or maybe they pull up a home that's for sale and they discover neighborhoods that way, which is not all bad. It's just, is it possible that you're missing some of the best neighborhoods? Or are you being directed to an area that you could have just cut out of the list, right? So for most people, it's not very efficient. So first off, they have no idea where to begin. They don't really know what areas will fit their budget. And they don't know an agent who specializes in multiple cities, because Dallas-Fort Worth is such a large area. Most agents don't really cover the entire area. Usually they cover their backyard, meaning their communities, their city, maybe a handful of cities surrounding. And so they don't really know the entire Dallas-Fort Worth metroplex like we do. Some just won't do it. They won't drive all over the metroplex. Most people don't know the road systems. They don't know the hidden neighborhoods that are not in the MLS, and most people just don't have the time to research and come up with all the hot spots to visit with a strategic plan. Many just get so overwhelmed at the thought of moving to Texas that some don't even do anything. And the new one is many are hitting these new home neighborhoods that are sold out, and so it wastes hours of time. So what happens in that case? Well, you could miss out on some of the best neighborhoods, or maybe you didn't realize that this city had these things to offer, and you purchase a home, and lo and behold, after you move here, you realize this is not where I want to live, and that can cost even more money than listing your home for sale. It's inconvenient. I'm just saying these things because I've seen it happen, okay? And then you had to find another home again. So that's what these moving to Texas tours are gonna do, is they're going to help eliminate all that nonsense, okay? And we have come up with a great solution on helping you choose the best city for your family. So here's the story. When I first started making YouTube videos, I discovered that most people don't know where to begin when it comes to searching a local area. Now there's many YouTube videos that you can get a feel, but nothing can substitute being here in real life, because that's when you really get a feel if this is right for you or not. One thing we have is we do have Zoom consultations. If you want to book a time with one of our agents, you can fill out the Dream Home questionnaire in the link below, and you can book a one-on-one consultation to help, but this is just going to take it to the whole next level. And this is great for those who aren't sure if Texas is right for them or not, or maybe you're in your beginning stages and you don't want to burden a local real estate agent. You can just book a tour and go, but you still have all of the expertise at your fingertips, and you get to meet other people in similar situations and make friends before you even get here. And listen, I'm not the only one who felt like this. What we did is we took our agents on the same exact tour. So we have Guys, we have 12 licensed agents on our team, and we took them all on the same tour that we put together, and they all felt the same. They learned so much valuable information, and I know you will too. By combining all of our knowledge, we upped our expertise. So finally, it's your turn. So when you book your tour today, you're going to listen the following. Which city fits your family's desired lifestyle the best? Which neighborhoods have the greatest potential to increase significantly in value? If a city and neighborhood feels like home to you, you'll see the best things a city has to offer for entertainment. You'll see the lifestyle of the cities and the neighborhoods. And you'll get to experience what it would really be like living in Texas. And that's kind of like a confirmation that you're not crazy about wanting to move here to Texas. We're going to share tax information and school information, so much valuable information. And guess what? If for some reason you're not just delighted with the tour, all you have to do is email me and tell me what you feel like we could improve on, and you will get all of your money back. I will refund it. And even better, I'm super excited, then when it does come time for you to move and you choose to work with the Dana Pollard Group, one of the agents on my team, you will get 100% of your tour refunded back to you at closing. Super cool. Now, if you're on a custom tour, we do have benefits like that, but there are restrictions, so definitely check that out first. I do think you'll be delighted. So you get to make choices now, so you can go at it at your own, or maybe choose an agent that doesn't really know the DFW Metroplex. And you know where that may lead to buying a home that you may regret. But I don't think that's how you want to make your life-changing decisions. Or you get to take a bus tour and learn more than you ever thought was possible to learn about an area and choose your home wisely. So yes, this is an announcement video, moving to Texas tours, and I really hope that you take it. I really believe this can benefit your family tremendously. And all you have to do is click on the link below. It will take you to movingtexastours.com and book your tour. So anyone moving to Collin County or North Fort Worth, at least right now, more tours to come in the future, this will help you to narrow down where to live and choose a city wisely.